How to remove watermark from PDF. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from PDF. So first of all, you need to come to ilovepdf.com, and after that you have to click on PDF to Word and select PDF file from here. And as you can see, we will select our file, this one, and after that you have to click on the convert to Word. And after converting to Word, converting to PDF to Word, download Word, and then you have to click on your file and open it on your Microsoft Word, and just click. You can just click on, cut, and as you can see the watermark is gone, and you can just now save your file from here. And do you want to keep the last item you copied? If you do, it may take a bit longer to exit. No. And your file has been saved, I guess. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.